Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the original Apple Watch, or the Series 1 Apple Watch, but not the new Series 1. It's a little bit confusing, but I wanted to share it after a few years at this point, or a couple of years, and share how it's held up and talk about the hardware and if you should get one. So the first thing is the hardware itself as far as it holding up. This is the stainless steel variant. The stainless steel variant was more expensive. It's stainless steel and then sapphire on top. So this is sapphire display. It's very difficult to scratch, and after 2 years, I don't see a single scratch on it. So regular use, it's been scratched on the stainless steel around here, but there's not a scratch on the display at all whatsoever. So that's really nice. It's held up well. The underside is in good shape, no problems there. And then the band, this one is the one that came with it. Even though it hits this, it doesn't matter because it's sapphire. This is held up well also. However, I don't wear it too often just because it seems to pinch. You'll see it does have some wear there, and it has some wear here just from rubbing on surfaces, things like that. Now, I have moved on to using the Apple Watch Series 3, and let's go back to what I use normally. The Series 3 is incredibly fast. It's waterproof. This one, Apple doesn't really say it's waterproof, but many people have found it to be waterproof, and the design overall is really solid. However, when you're using it, it's not so great. Let me show you. So if I'm on this screen, maybe I want to go to this one. See, there's nothing there. It's not responding. There we go. See if we can zoom in or move the time here. Spin the world. So that's responding okay. Let me push in, and we'll go to this screen, and you'll see things just sometimes seem a little bit slow. Here they're okay, just like this. But let's go to an app, for example. Maybe we'll go to, see, this is nice and smooth until I go really fast. Let's go to the activity rings. Those loaded okay because they were loaded. Let's try maybe music. It's loading. It's still loading. And hopefully something will come up pretty quickly. Still waiting. Let's leave this here and see how long it takes on this one to find music and load. Oh, that wasn't music. Let's go to music. And we're already there. It's very, very fast. And let's see if we can get back to music here if it ever loaded. So road trip. So that's accurate. It's just, it's so slow to use most of the time that it's just not enjoyable. And I find that it's okay for notifications, but if you want to use Siri, it doesn't have a speaker that talks Siri out. Only the Series 3 has that. It doesn't have the waterproof ability. You can't swim with it. And it doesn't have LTE, for example. This one does. You can tell that by the little red here on the side. So I think it's a really nice watch. It holds up well, but I'm not sure it's worth picking one up today when you can get a Series 2 or a Series 3 for a few $100s, for example. And while the updates to the latest watchOS make it much faster than it was before, and it's fine if you've already got one, if you had the option between getting this one and, say, a Series 2, between $50 to $100 difference, I would easily recommend go to the next most expensive one, just so you can get a better experience and all the waterproof features, things like that. The notifications work okay, but I find this lags so much it's just not worth it. However, I think it's a nice design. It was a good first try, but it really should have been much faster like the current generation. Let me know your thoughts, though, in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.